In recent years, the lithium battery market has exploded with many different brands on the market offering products at wildly different price points. You might be comparing two lithium batteries which have the same capacity, say 100 ampere hours, but one is sitting at the lower end of the cost spectrum and one costs a little bit more. At a glance, you may not be able to work out why, but rest assured there is going to be a difference between these two products, and it can only be found by delving into their spec sheets. So the questions that I would be asking are, how many cycles is the battery rated to and what is the depth of discharge? For example, Century Lithium Pro is rated to over 3,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. This means you can use 80% of the battery's capacity, recharge it again, and then repeat that for 3,000 times at a minimum. Cheaper products may have lower ratings when it comes to this. Next, I would also be looking at the battery's maximum recharge current. Lithium Pro can be recharged at 100 to 150 amps depending on the battery, and some cheaper batteries could be half of that figure. Warranty is also another big deal. With lithium batteries, let's face it, you're probably not planning to stay close to home. And when you're traveling the outback or wherever it is you're planning to go, if you ever require assistance in the 5 years of warranty that these batteries are typically covered for, what sort of support network is going to be available to you in your time of need? And finally, and perhaps most importantly, I would also be checking what sort of certifications your lithium battery comes with. Most lithium batteries will always carry certification on the cells, which for lithium is the IEC 62619 Safety Requirements Industrial Certification. With Century Lithium Pro though, we've actually subjected these batteries to additional rigorous testing which goes way beyond any of that. Not only are the battery cells fully certified, but we have additional certification on the battery management system, the battery assembly as a whole, and additional vibration testing to ensure that Lithium Pro can handle the rough off-road conditions when you're taking these things off the beaten track in the future. So why should you care about any of those certifications? Well, have a think about where you're planning to install these lithium batteries. It could be into a four-wheel drive, which costs you $20,000, $50,000, $100,000. It could be in a caravan, which costs you about the same. It could be in a boat, which minimum $50,000. Again, you've invested a lot of money into this equipment to help you enjoy the great outdoors and go wherever you want to go. So I would argue that spending a little bit more money on a quality lithium battery setup would be a safe bet in the long run. But it's really up to you to weigh up the pros and the cons, the cost and the risk, and make a decision of your own. For more information, visit the website centurybatteries.co.nz.